In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your website's mobile view using Wix's automatic optimization tools. While Wix automatically creates a mobile version of your site, there might be some adjustments you'd like to make to ensure everything looks perfect on smaller screens. Let's start by talking about what Wix does for you behind the scenes. The platform automatically optimizes your site for mobile devices, which is incredibly convenient as it saves you the effort of building a separate mobile site from scratch. However, it's important to note that while this automation works well most of the time, there may be instances where manual adjustments are necessary to fit your specific needs and design preferences. To begin with, you'll want to open the Wix editor and locate the mobile view option. It's found on the top right corner of the editor, represented by an icon that looks like a smartphone. Clicking on this icon allows you to switch from desktop to mobile view. Now that you're in mobile view, you'll visually inspect your site to identify any elements that might not display as you intended. This includes checking text sizes, image alignments, and ensuring buttons are adequately sized and spaced. Pay attention to the overall layout, ensuring that everything appears clean and professional. One crucial aspect of using Wix's mobile editor is the ability to hide elements. If there's something that appears well on desktop but doesn't translate nicely to mobile, simply select the element and click on the Hide option. Remember, hiding an element on mobile doesn't remove it from the desktop version, ensuring consistency across platforms. While Wix doesn't allow you to fully disable mobile optimization, hiding elements can help streamline your mobile site and enhance the user experience. Additionally, if you need to alter text sizes or adjust margins, you can do so without impacting the desktop view. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune your design, ensuring readability and usability for mobile users. Another thing to consider is the use of widgets and third-party apps. Some might not be entirely responsive, which could lead to awkward displays on mobile. Testing your site's functionality across different device screens can help identify such issues early on. Finally, always preview your site before publishing changes. Wix provides a preview function specifically for mobile, accessible via the preview button at the top of your editor. It's a great way to see how your changes will look to your audience. Make sure everything aligns with your design goals and is user-friendly. This extra step ensures a professional appearance and an intuitive experience for visitors accessing your site on a mobile device. And there you have it, a straightforward process for optimizing and customizing your Wix site for mobile devices.